access elements, go to the main menu in the top left, go down to styles, and you'll see elements in the top bar. Now the first design choice I want you to make is whether you want your buttons square, round, rounder, or roundest. Now you can see here in the preview that there's a button there to play with, but it also controls the button in the form and also the button in the action section. So have a think which of these buttons is going to be the nicest for your website, knowing that you can change at any time.